welcome to this template tutorial for our fake book or Facebook here. And what you have here is it's a little bit older version of Facebook, but it's really simple and pretty easy to use. This is kind of before ads and fake news, so it's a really nice kind of feature here. So what we have here is just our normal placeholding images. At this point, we're just replacing images, searching the web, and looking for something. So if I'm doing Woodrow Wilson, I'm going to type in Woodrow Wilson up here, and I'm going to look and see if there's any kind of real wide ones that I can confirm are really Woodrow Wilson. Maybe I'll do Woodrow Wilson campaign and see kind of what's there. So we have looks like a truck here. I'm going to use the magnifying glass and zoom in, and yeah, so we have a nice kind of easy one, and I'm going to replace that image and get that there. Now what I want to do is I want to make sure that I crop this image, so I'm going to double click and I can just drag because it's already wide enough, and I want to make sure that like I'm getting that in kind of like that. So like one of the big things that Wilson tried to do was keep us out of war, so I'm going to keep that kind of there. Then again, I'm going to look for that image, replace, search the web once more, and I'm going to type Woodrow Wilson. And once I get Woodrow Wilson's picture in there, I'm just going to grab the first one. There we go. And now I'm just going to kind of start to kind of clean some stuff up and fill in some of that information for this Facebook page. Now this is going to take some research. Now I can have a conversation here too, you know. Woodrow Wilson to, you know, we could put something like Thomas Marshall, his vice president. Did you campaign yet? You know, just kind of something that's not very historical, but we can definitely kind of go through and fill in some of the stuff here, add our friends down here, go through some more timeline stuff here, give some basic information about it, so it's like a biography, and then throw some pictures up, and you have that. I mean, so much of this is the same. Again, we're working in Google Slides. We're doing the same template stuff, so it's really helpful. So hopefully this kind of helps you and gets you going in the right path. Be creative. Have a wonderful day.